Rap, propaganda. Rap, propaganda. Rap, propaganda. Rap, propaganda.
Double. I'm now in a left-hand turn. Double. S2 Pembroke now providing positive control service. Set score 2422 and Fist 1 recycles 2421. Departure Arrow 1 past 300 for 190. Arrow 1, Rapid North, Mount Clear, identified. We're passing up to 3000 feet, left turn on navigation in mountain range and maximum flight of 150. Arrow 1 passing 3000, left direct on course up to 15000. 2 set QNH 1019. 219 set. 100. Tiger. Box flight on. First class on. Back north, bullseye 31031, 25,000. 2 contacts hostile. Contact. Fist will be flankers hostile. Pembroke. At Fist 2 you clear deltas 1 up to 8, mean sea level up to 660, broadcast control durators 10. For the TRA 10, 10 alpha you cleared 150 and up positive control sense. Fist 2. Inch 8, echelon northeast. Pembroke Street, bullseye 210, 49er, 22,000, outlaw, spades, single contact.
210, 49, spades.
Contact hostile. 3000, outlaw, spades, single contact. Pembroke trail group, range 16, opening. Lead group, bullseye 302, 24, 25,000, hostile. Single contact, tracks out. Pembroke trail group, maneuver, range 18, 27,000, hostile. Single contact.
Southwest, hostile flanker. Tiger.
At Romeo 4 is now fully active again for new players, so avoid Romeo 4. First. Pembroke 2 groups, range 19, lead group bullseye 291, 21, 28,000, hostile. Single contact, tracks out. Trail group range 19, bullseye 326, 29, 28,000. Single contact, hostile.
Group still hot.
Pembroke lead group hot again, bullseye 210, 41, 25,000. Hostile flanker.
Tiger 1. Targeted. Lead group hostile. Bullseye 211, 41, 24,000. Fox.
Pembroke trail group now azimuth 11, 23,000. Hostile flanker, track north. Trail group range 19, bullseye 318, 24, 28,000. Hostile. Single contact.
Lead group bullseye 200, 34, 21,000.
Pembroke lead group leading for Tiger 1.
Target both groups hostile.
0019, 29,000, hostile. Single contact. 20,000, hostile flanker. Room at 11, 23,000, hostile flanker, beam east. Group maneuver. Arrow, would you please group? So. Arrow for 3.
Too low. Terrain. Too
Air
low.
beam in, bullseye 22039 and 23 and 27,000, hostile flankers.
1019, clear to enter the range.
Arrow 1019.
Too low. Terrain. Too.
I'm going to try and get these LGTRs off while there's still a little bit of daylight. Passing. 5,000, hostile flanker. 30,000. The south. 31,000, hostile. Single contact maneuver.
With off guard, 1600 feet, visibility is 10 plus, the wind is 07019
Copy, any LGTRs today?
only one.
South flanker, still in contact.
Taiwan is still lead group.
Gunbox, elite group maneuver, trail group drag. Gunbox, elite group, bullseye 294, 16, 23,000, hostile. Single contact, maneuver hold.
Truthful due to the weather for the LCTR.
Top one, but it did not hit, confirm.
31, 38, 28,000. Clear.
Gunbox, elite group, bullseye 229 and 31, 29,000, hostile, flanker.
Taiwan, Fox.
Bullseye 224, 41, 22,000, hostile flanker. Gunbox, trail group, range 8, opening, drag. 15 and above, 16, 15 and below. Copy, 15 above for me.
Pull up. Too low. Terrain. Too.
Maneuver.
Masz bałagan na bani, bo czujesz, że nie da ja. Chuj, trochę manzo,